What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. Well, I'm not in my laboratory, I'm in Las Vegas in a hotel on vacation, still making videos for you because you guys awesome and I love you. So thumbs up for making videos on vacation. And today I'm gonna show you how to make caramel. All you're gonna need is sweetened condensed milk, and a pot with water and a stove. All we're gonna do is boil this for 3 hours and you're gonna get caramel. So let's do it and see what happens. Alright, we're gonna set the water till it boils and then we're gonna put the can in the boiling water and leave it there for like about 3 hours. So what you wanna do is boil it on like, medium, not too hot, not too low, so that water boils but not boiling out, you know what I mean? So it doesn't boil out too much. So medium is the perfect thing. And make sure if too much boils out, just add some more water. Alright, after 3 hours, you can get it out. Man, use safety, it's hot. Alright, let's open it and see. Alright, check this stuff out. You see? It tastes really good. It tastes different than this is how it's used to be. Like condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. And this is what it is. You see, it's like clumps. And this is like more like, how do you call it when it's not? More like liquidish. Is that even a word? But I guess I'll make a new word. But this is like more like, you see, clumps. So this is how you make homemade caramel. And that's actually tastes really good. Yeah. Amazing, just like caramel. Not exactly, but almost. Let me know what do you think in comments below. Thumbs up, try it yourself, be safe. Make sure you don't set just the can on a stove because it will explode. I might demonstrate that for you in the next videos. Subscribe for that. I'll be doing this in the future. But this is awesome. I recommend to do it. Do not set just the can on a stove, it will explode. Just put it in the water. That's pretty much it. Let me know what do you think in comments below and I'll see you next time.